Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how, and we'll talk about how does Printify handle the returns. So if you are already using Printify with your connected store like Shopify, Etsy, and so on, and you are creating custom designs, and they are made to order. So basically, when the customer orders it, the Printify prints it. And after that they ship it to the customer, and if the customer is not happy, how does the returning process happening? So first of all, we're gonna go to Printify need help and click on Help Center here. After that, you're gonna go to this page and manage product and orders. We can click right here and try to find it. But if you don't find it here, I suggest to write it on this search bar, returns, and click enter. And as you can see, here it is. How does Printify handle refunds and returns? So as you can see, the products are all unique, so the returns and exchanges are not supported if your customer ordered the wrong size, color, or simply changed their mind, of course. However, if the product would be damaged or something, some manufacturing error, the Printify will offer you a free replacement or a refund if you contact them within 30 days of product delivery. Of course, if the customer is not happy with the, for example, some of the products, if the customer just isn't happy, you will not get a refund from Printify, and they will not accept returns. So you would have to do this out of your pocket, and you have to say to your customer that they would keep the product to themselves, but they will get a refund because the product was bad or something. Of course, if the product was damaged or it was Printify's fault, then they will replace it for free. And that's basically it. That's how Printify handles the refunds and returns. And if this video was helpful, guys, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.